The Projects app can act as a file library for each of your various sub-accounts. Before we begin, it's important to know the file formats that you and your team can currently upload to the app. Check the article below to see these accepted file types. To begin using your file library, make sure you're in the Projects app and on the Files tab. To upload a new file, you can go to the far right and click Upload File. You can drag and drop your file here, or click to open your Explorer. Once the file uploads, simply click Done. All of your files will appear here. Remember that you can use the column on the left to select a new sub-account to see their individual file libraries. Once you upload your files, you will see them listed here. You will also see the date it was uploaded, who uploaded it, and the file size. On the far right, you can click Preview to look at the file without downloading it. For example, our CSV file displays here. If you uploaded an audio file, you would be able to play the audio file directly from the browser. To the right of this is File Edit. If you click this, you can rename your file within the dashboard. Then click Update. Next, you can click here to download the file from the app. Finally, if you want to delete a file, click the red trash can icon. Then if you're sure, click Delete once more.